So I've been on YouTube for about 10 years and I got to about 6,000 subscribers. I wasn't that good at it, but it did help me build out my career. Believe it or not, all you need is a few decent people to watch a few videos that you produce and, well, it could change your life. All right. Now, what I'm trying to do here is I decided, Austin, I want to take my old YouTube channel and I want to throw it in the trash. I want to start fresh on a clean slate and I want to experiment and use what is my data science to see if I can figure out this YouTube algorithm. I'm going to use a little bit of software tech and a little hardware and a little bit of guru to see if I can build something out that is a little bit dynamic, right? But for this video, I'd like to talk about the analytics, okay? This new YouTube channel that I am posting on right now has been live for 7 days, all right? I would like to showcase what is a YouTube channel that I manage and own that was online for 10 years, all right? So we're gonna be comparing what this YouTube channel did this week in views and its content versus what this dead YouTube channel has done this week versus its views and its content. This is the only YouTube channel I've been posting to, so keep that in mind. What I have here is both of the YouTube channels, okay? So this one on the left is the new YouTube channel. This is 2plot AI. This is what you're watching right here. I am currently at 806 views and 12 subscribers in my first week. We can go over to the content and we can get a range of all the different videos that I created. For the most part, they broke down very interesting. What I found the most success on initially is, well, shorts. Shorts are popping off. This is my main contributor to most of my views. 700 views are from this one short. So yeah, that's not great, but this is where we're at. And we're trying to use what is this system, okay? And this system is referring to 2plot Media, which is custom software that I have built out in-house, all right? This allows me to broadcast, live stream. This is what is actually me creating this video at this moment. I'm doing it off of this software, okay? But with that, I also have analytics in the software, and I'm kind of breaking down to understand what and where, views are coming from and all that, and just to kind of have a catalog that I own. So instead of just uploading on YouTube, I upload on my own platform, and from there, I'm planning on being able to distribute it out to a bunch of other different platforms, so I'm not reliant on one specific, YouTube. I have a bunch of other different platforms, and all of my media and everything that I'm automating out with my YouTube channel, well, it's all in my own software. It's referenceable. Like I have, transcripts for every video, and I have other capabilities that are, growing out, like light automation, but yeah. With this, my old YouTube channel, I haven't posted anything in about a month, okay? So these are practically dead views off of just old videos that I had running, all right? I have about 950 views in the past 7 days, all right? So a week by week comparison, if we take these two, about 800, and this one did about 950. I lost one subscriber in the past 7 days, all right? And on my new YouTube channel, I have gotten 11, all right? Wow, we are rocketing off. This is insane. I'm barely holding my excitement over here. Jokes aside, okay. So what this actually means is I am currently growing on this new YouTube channel, and I tried to migrate people off of my old YouTube channel, because if we go over to the dashboard, you'll see I had a pretty decent amount of subscribers, like my videos, like they weren't junk, we could go back to them. Like, this one did really good. This one did really good. Like some of them randomly pop off, so they weren't like the worst content. I was averaging about like 200, 300 views. I don't know. It's not that bad. These are doing okay. I might move some of these videos over, especially like this. I kind of want to redo this tutorial specifically, but I had built out a full tutorial that covers the Stripe payment system, and I built out a basically an application for a restaurant to be able to manage its inventory and its menu, and to be able to have clients and them order online and all that other good stuff. But yeah. So, but with that, what I am humbly just trying to say, and let me just make this clear, this is about 6,500 subscribers. Okay, out of what was my last video where I posted, and it's actually right there. I don't know. I need to go back, but this video right here where I said goodbye, I had about one person transfer over and want to subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Hey, it's okay. You guys are missing out. This is banger. I'm telling you, my content is like so much better than what it once was. So, but with that, humbly, no one cares. No one cares about you. No one cares about the majority of the things that you're going to be talking about, putting out, and in general, don't overthink it. All right. If you're doing this chasing the view, the subscriber, and all the other junk, it's not going to be a fun ride. I don't care. I do not care. I have a great life, and all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give back by teaching and showcasing how I'm automating, how I'm working, and to kind of give the tutorials, the open source code, and the resources to allow other people a leg up, because life is about to get a lot more difficult. And if you are not awake, and if you're not aware of your surroundings, and if you're not able to build and create in this new world that we are walking into, you're going to be left behind, buddy. And as real as it is, buckle up and start to get your stuff together. Do some housekeeping, get your office looking cool, and try to use and experiment and work with AI to create workflows that actually extend what you do. So this is how I'm doing it, and I'd love to see and hear about how you guys are doing it. But yeah, with that, check out some of my applications, the links and the resources, and some of the other videos. You might find some interesting things that might get your head running, and you might be able to build something amazing. But yeah, with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.